only if the people take it. Or maybe you would need it. Then buy another 5 stuff. But it's for life, like you can ride a motorbike there. Like when you look at it, how much like we're only
The thing is, like, you know what? I don't think I'll ever have to quit. I want to be able to say yes. I want to be able to ride a motorbike. You know, like that's such a cool backstory. That is like a character, thinking that I want to have in my life.
Yeah, it's something I want to be able to do.
I want to be able to say that I
what if like I don't know, you hit Japan and then it's like the apocalypse and you need to ride a motorbike. You need to be part of a bike again. Like, you need to be part of that gang. You've got to be able to ride a motorbike. And you can't ride a motorbike. Yeah, one of the shoppers. I've also been like incredibly coerced by he rides. Next position of my life, getting a learner to ride a bike. If he rides it, it's also for me to go camping before you're camping down the back. I'm probably going to do it, so if you want to come do it, you're welcome to come do it.
I think I end up well, but I'm not.
You have to decide.
One flew into our house.
It's still alive.
Oh my god, they're ganging up on me. Trying to trap me.
I imagine when you walk outside where
it's still in the 4 o'clock. Really want to drink it. Like, it feels like it could be quite good. Do you think that we've left?
I like to walk.
We left 2 side buses. So then you walk back. That's the bus. That was the bus.
It's really complicated. That
I feel like it's not quite like my life. But like, you know the colours like silver?
yeah,
They go yellow there. Why don't
they do like maybe it's smaller ones. I like it.
But I'm quite content with this one, so I don't want like a... You can just have the data. I told my brother yesterday. Well, they're not watching it right now.
Yeah. I used to wear a watch all the time when I was a kid. Like, people show me the camera.
They used to have a decent...
Yeah,
Oh no.
it was. I'd worn it for like 5 years. I never took it outside. It had like a hide on it. You know, I like this one. It feels smart. Yeah. It's got an alarm. Stop.
Mine is like, I have this one, and then I have a big Daniel Wellington, like, with a red leather band, like, really big. And then I have this one, black one, right? And it's like simply, I got when I was like, I can't remember. I didn't wear for a while, but honestly I might start wearing it. I'm just too much of a real one. Like this is probably the most amount of gold I'll wear. Yeah. I'm saying colour, it's just fucking gold.
Yeah.
Yellow.
I can't believe you didn't go. This is so handsome. Good. Mine again, more olive.
Like if I really tell them, I think the colour will go. Yeah, it's still kind of yellow.
Got a fat one. I'm yellow. I'm orange. They knew. Nice red.
Yeah.
I
mean, like really never could have used it, so.
Yeah. You get some of them trousers.
Yeah. I like them more. I got them, my parents got them. My brother got two for my dad last time. There's lots of acid on this stuff I love. Can't really get them in the UK. And I was always thinking that I was like, maybe not the 80s. Oh no, it's got that.
Yeah, this is what I mean. Easy to lose.
Yeah, I didn't want to lose 80s, so I was like, I really like the things to lose that way. You can't really get them in the UK because you really want to. So, and these came out 3 days before I got them. So I was like, in the sun. But they're like the retro, they're like the vintage style. Apparently. They're not usually blue, but I'm in luck with this colour.
It's a nice colour. I like it.
Even on the store.
It's like burgundy teal. I really like the green on my side.
I wouldn't wear it for myself. I like a dark blue.
I like the dark blue. They do that for Doc Martens. They do Doc Martens.
Yeah, they've been doing like red ones out. Oh,
Cherry, yeah.
So pretty.
When I was a kid, I had Doc Martens the same colour as them. Still have them. I like size.
I have my Doc Martens with me in the UK. There's a fat hole at the top. They were my school. Oh,
school uniform line.
I like them. So although I did thrive in football without uniform, having people see my awesome failures. What is that?
Where?
Why is it fluffy?
be back. I do have to be back home for like around 10 because I need to organize my friend in China. As you might imagine, it's incredibly difficult to come. Like, you can't use WhatsApp. Can't make any calls. So he's gone like he's going to some special place. He's in rural. He's going to some special place today. He's arranged to call me. So he can like I don't even know when he's actually coming. What time? I don't know.
When is he coming?
Early September sometime, like around the 5th. But I don't know. When I last talked to him again, booked the flight for him. He sent me a message saying, "Can you call it this time?" It's like I can't. It's very difficult.
You just get dinner. Have a couple of days. I'm going back to my body. Get back on my Zelda. I need to buy a Switch.
Zelda? What do you think Zelda? This is good. Oh my god.
Oh, I think I'm gonna get one.
Ah, you think for a Switch you could rather get it?
I'll be getting it with one. Not very much.
Oh, you get
If I get paid, I'm going to
I have the game. I have Zelda. For the Switch. Because I have a Switch emulator on my computer. Like it's just like you plug it in the back and I can plug Switch games in. And I have a software on it. It syncs my computer to Switch. So I bought the game. So I have the game.
I was going to buy the game.
So which one? Breath of the Wild?
Well, if I complete Breath of the Wild, then I got it.
I don't have the next one. I don't know.
Well, if you have Breath of the Wild, then I'll get it. I was going to get Amazon. But they're bringing out Prey on the Switch in December. That's why I wanted it. Maya sent me the details and I was like, whoa. She's like, this is your incentive to buy. She's like, you can't send it to me. So I did go look at the price and then maybe not that expensive. I thought it was so much more.
You know what you should always do? Get Baldur's Gate. The game. And you can play it on the Mac. It works fine.
Me and July got those on the Mac. And that's Craig Dresser impression.
I like the Mac one better. So I've been playing Baldur's Gate on my Mac. It works. You do a group. I know you like it. Maybe.
The thing is I have my Wii, so if I get my Switch, then I might sell mine. Well, I'll give it to